Here is radon mitigation installation in process. This is 3-inch pipe. I modified it so the handle can go inside. This is a meter. It's a cheap meter, so it's not that accurate. Let me check the airflow before I install the cap. '85, '84. CFMs. Let me see if it makes a difference. Yep. Here is the cap. It has a cone in the middle. I don't know if you can see it. Inlet cone, which disperses the air around, all around the cap. Let me install it. No change. I don't see any change in the CM film. Airflow goes this way, obviously.